Hello everyone. Today I am solving the introduction to dark web operations from the security blue team. This is my ID. Uh, to solve this problem, you have to pass all these lessons. After that, you came to the course capstone. So I am going to click the continue button. You can see the challenge descriptions are here. So I'm going to try again. Okay, wait. Before came to this, you have a challenge description in the previous page. These are the challenge about that. So the prerequisite saying that gain access to the site, which is visit the URL below. That means this is the site link. Okay, then it says right click and select inspect element. When presented with a login screen, select the console tab and enter the command which generate user credentials, decode the answer, and you are good to go. The second one is find evidence that the individuals is involved in drug trafficking. Find any information about the locations in which these criminals congregate. These are the 4 prerequisites. Then we click on the next button. Okay, before clicking the next button, I'm just copying this link. Make remember that you must have the Tor browser. I have installed it before, so I'm going to open it. As you can see, this is the Tor browser's interface, and I'm going to paste the link which I copied before here. I've pasted the link and the site is loading, and this is the site. Okay, so firstly they have told us to go to the login page, which I clicked. Then they have told us to go to the inspect element. So when I right click on the mouse, this menu bar shows and it says inspect. Click on the inspect and you can see the tabs below. So you just click on the console tab, and right here what just they say that console tab command generate user credentials. So I just copied it to free from the typing. Just Control V and press enter. You have said there is a pop-up window and it gives me the base64 encoded credentials. I'm just copying it. As you can see, I just paste this command, but when you first download Tor browser, they told you to type this allow pasting. Okay, you need to do this allow pasting, then click enter. Okay, otherwise they will not give you the permission to copy paste. Okay, I've just copied the base64 and I'm going to open the base64 decoder. So there are a lot of base64 decoder. I'm going to click the first one. Operation is set on the decode mode and I'm going to paste it and decode. As you can see, this is the username and this is the password. Okay, I'm going to save it in my clipboard. After that, just go to the Tor browser and copy my username here. Password is a later part of the decrypted text. Then login. I just close the console tab here. You can say that I am logged in to the website that the security blue team gave it to me. Okay, this is the website and this is rendering. So let's go to the problem statement. After clicking the next button, you will appear here and there is a page set to start quiz. So because I have solved this previous, so now I am directly redirected. So our first question is, what command is used in the console to generate valid credentials? Which is, you know very clearly that get generate user credentials first bracket. Okay, I'm pasting it here. They provide the answer format, provide the credentials to format is command. So I'm going to paste it command, then says comma space username and password are alongside, so I'm just pasting it. So they said username after comma then space. Okay, this is our first answer for the first question. Then next it says after logged in, we just actually logged in to the server. As you can see, this is the server. What are the titles of the 3 pinned posts seen on the website in ASCII text? Please place them in respective order format, post 1, post 2, post 3. Okay, as you can see, this site has been loaded and this is the first 3 posts which are encrypted in the ASCII text. Okay, I'm going to copy the first title of the post, Control C, then go to CyberSafe. So it is a decrypting tool in the online, and I'm going to paste it here, which I have copied later before. So here you can see a magic button has appeared and I'm clicking on it. So it means drugs in the clear text, and I'm going to copy it and paste it in my answer box. Okay, because this is the decrypted version of the post one title, and again I'm going to do it in the same way, just copying the post title, second post title, and pasting it to the cyber chef. Okay, and it says pleasure. I'm going to copy it. The answer format says post one comma space. Okay, I just did it and paste it. Then again post three. This is the post three. Okay, Control C and Control V. It says drops. Okay, this is the answer. And I'm going to the next questions. It says look at the messages board. They are mentioning another illegal site. Provide its name, format, hacker group. Okay, message group. This is the message group in the last section of this site, and you can see that these are the messages, and its link says, okay, this. I'm clicking on it, and you just need not to be very conscious because it's a safe site which is actually vulnerable for our learning process, so don't be very concerned about it. Okay, this is the website. As you can see, these are the services which are provided by this hacker group. I think this is the hacker group Midnight. Their description and their services are listed here. Also, I have seen there is a download the setup guide. I'm clicking on it, and you can see it's a very rubbish thing. So I think this is a encrypted text. I'm going to decrypt it. First copy full text, then go to the cyberchef, paste it here, delete the. You can see there has been appeared a magic, what you can see, magic stick. Okay, I'm clicking on it, and it says it's a base 64, and it is decoded into the ASCII text. So I'm going to decode it with the hex from hex, because it is in the hex format. I am going to take it to the ASCII format, and it is actually readable format. Okay, it is the setup guide. We don't need it, we just need the team name, and it says Midnight Team. So team means they are working together, that's why they call them team, but I think the actual name is Midnight. So I'm copying the name Midnight and pasting it to the answer. So the hacker group name is Midnight. And going to the next question, it says a transaction log is mistakenly visible under the recent transaction section. Provide the customer's full name, email address, and the purpose of transaction. Format is full name, email, and dash 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 and dash dash dash. Okay, go to the website. So our work is done here. So I'm going to backwards, again backwards, and recent transaction. As you can see, there are 4 transaction has been completed. So the last transaction has included a website, I think. So I'm clicking on it, and it redirects to a new page, and you can say internal use only, but it has been disclosed in the website also, so no problem. It is also intentionally disclosed. So you can say the customer information name Frank Kessel. I'm going to copy the name because we need also the name. I'm pasting here full name, comma, space, email. So as you can see, this is the email of the customer. Control C and pasting it here. And the purpose of the transaction, let's dive into it. Here you can see purpose of transaction is hookers and drugs. Okay, I'm just copying the full text here. Okay, copy it and pasting it here. Okay, I think this is the answer according to the answer format. Then it says it looks like the user PJ is hosting an illegal party. What city is this taking place, and when we could catch him? There ends shut down this entire operation. Format city, month, date, year. Okay, let's go to the website. Our work is done here, so going backwards to the actual site. As you can see, best party ever, you are invited pinned. This is the image and it says, hey, the name's PJ, the owner of this firm lol, also that's me with the black head in the photo. I think that's he's telling about this. Anyways, I am having a diabolic party in a certain city in February, okay? I go both ways, FYI, I think it's a code word. There will be a lot of all ages and all types. Police have been paid off too. The location is within the image. See you soon, okay? I think the location is, however, encrypted or the it is binded with this picture. So I'm going to first download this picture here. So when right click or right click with the mouse and you can see this pop-up button shows and save images. I'm downloading this in my download folder and save. Okay, already I have downloaded, so replace it. Yes, as you can see the downloaded has started here. Okay, as you can see this photo has been downloaded. I'm going to check the image in my online. So I go to the Google, because Google has a image search option, which is this search by image. I am going to upload this file to check the file which is I think available in online. Let's see. As you can see there is a photo here. I'm going to click it. The image, the face of this person has been revealed and it says a lot of things. Okay, previously I have read all this blog and couldn't find any location, so I think your approach also will be finding the location in this blog, but it's not. You need to steganography this photo. You can do it in online. When you search on the online steganography, the first tool which is hosted on the GitHub, click on this and check on the decode, then paste your file here. This is the file and decode. Click on the decode. As you can see, the hidden message is, where the red dragon flies and the seven meets the sea, find the capital Cameroon where your next adventure will be. Okay, I'm copying it and you can see there are a lot of unreadable text, which is a lot. I think it's a big text which are unreadable, but the first one is readable. So I'm going to copy it and paste it on my browser. And it says Cardiff. The capital of Cameroon is Cardiff. So I'm copying it. I think that's the answer. So going to, where is my Etho? I found it. It says the city name, I think, which is Cardiff, month, date, and year. As you can see in the website, where is my Tor browser? Here you can see that the time has been declared, which is February 14, 2025. I'm copying it and paste it also. Okay, nice. Then going to the next question. It is the last question of this quiz. You can see it says, what is the email of the user selling stolen car parts? Okay, going to the Tor browser and you can see cheap stolen car parts and it's a photo of the mechanic shop. It says, is anyone looking for cheap car parts? My budget and I buddies. Okay, and I steal cars for a living and break them down. The car parts do come with a complimentary drug package at the moment. Contact me at, I think, while solving this problem, you must familiar with this type of code, which is encoded with the hexa code. I'm copying it and it says, if you are serious, no problem. We will find his email with this link. I'm going to the where is my cyber? So I'm closing this actually. This is my cyber page and control A and control V. So first delete this recipe. Then here you will see a magic has been came, and clicking on it, it says this is the email. We got our answer. So just paste the email. I think this is all about it and submit. Okay, you can see we have answered 6 out of 6 questions and report is that all of the questions are correct. As you can see that all are correct. So I think you have see my approach and now you can do it on yourself. Please do it on yourself blindly. I think your approach will be better than mine. So post it in YouTube or write a documentation in the GitHub, write the documentation properly and post it on the GitHub. Okay, I'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz.